everybody, Renee here, and today I have the Choose to Shine card making workshop your way from close to my heart, and it comes with 12 card bases, 12 envelopes. It comes with all the paper that you need to make 6 of each design. It comes with the stamp set, which is really cute. It also comes with a roll of our white and gold ribbon, which is really pretty. Now, I changed these cards a little bit from the design to fit something that I'm working on for charity. So I didn't use the ribbon, and I changed up my sentiment on this card. I also did not use the stamp that goes for the grass right here. We have these really cool decorative borders dies. This is the package. Mine's kind of messed up because I've been messing with it. But this one here makes this fringe. And I've been trying to find different ways to use this particular die. And I thought, you know what? This looks like grass. So I decided to make mine like this. So I changed the sentiment to match what I needed for a charity that I'm working on. I used the fringe here for the grass. And I also wasn't a big fan of the way the flowers look like they were just like floating in the air. I wanted them grounded in the grass. So I moved them down a little bit from the design. The design also, in the stamp set, there's this little dot that you can use to stamp all kinds of colored dots all over. I went ahead and left those off. The other thing I left off was the ribbon. The ribbon was supposed to go down here across the bottom. And then the second card looks like this. I changed this one a little bit as well. I wanted a little bit more dimension, so instead of stamping these directly onto the card, I stamped them on cardstock, and then I was just going to fussy cut them out. I did fussy cut this cloud out, and this one was stamped right on the paper. But then I decided, you know what, I'm going to see if I have a circle punch. So unfortunately, I went first to these thin cuts, and that circle right there, I felt like it was just a little bit too big. So I didn't use that one, but what I did use was I have this punch. It's old. It's from Hobby Lobby. I think it was like really cheap. And I just used that and punched them out, cut them in half, and then I could use half on one card and half on another and just put those across the top as the scallop and glued those down. And then let's see, everything else on this card is exactly the same, except I did not put the ribbon. One of the main reasons I didn't put the ribbon is I didn't start with getting my cloud high enough to have enough room down here at the bottom for the ribbon. So I did leave it off, and it's actually going to work out fine that way. So these are the 2 cards. I will have, right after this, I will have a process video on each one of them. So feel free to hang around and watch those if you like. I'll throw on some music. And I hope you enjoy them. And I'm looking forward to sending these off to the charity and seeing if they like them. So everybody have a great day.